Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential and flavorful seasonings you can add to your kitchen, the McCormick Culinary Japanese 7-spice, also known as Shichimi Togarashi. If you're a fan of bold, umami-packed flavors, this is the spice you've been looking for. Let's talk about what makes this Japanese 7-spice so special. The McCormick Culinary Japanese 7-spice brings together 7 unique ingredients, each contributing to its vibrant, herbal, and citrusy flavor. The combination of red pepper, Sichuan pepper, and ginger gives you a spicy kick, while the sesame seeds, orange peel, and nori flakes. Yes, that's seaweed, add layers of flavor that brighten up any dish. This blend is perfect for a wide range of dishes. Traditional Japanese recipes like ramen, miso, tempura, and udon noodles are an absolute delight with a sprinkle of this spice. But don't stop there. You can use it to elevate grilled meats and seafood, or even toss it into some steamed rice or grain salads. Its bold heat and zesty undertones also work wonders in broths, dips, and dressings, making it an incredibly versatile addition to any meal. Now, let's talk about the quality. McCormick is known for delivering premium products, and their Japanese 7-spice is no exception. With 16.5 ounces of spice, this container will last you through many delicious dishes. It's kosher, and there's no MSG added, so you can enjoy it with peace of mind. Plus, it's already pre-blended, which saves you the time and hassle of measuring out each individual spice. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this is a true time saver. One of the best features is its performance in the kitchen. The shaker and spoon dispensing options make it easy to control how much spice you're adding, giving you the perfect balance of heat and flavor in every dish. Whether you're making a simple rice dish or crafting a complex ramen bowl, this seasoning helps you create that authentic Japanese taste without any of the guesswork. The McCormick Culinary Japanese 7-spice is truly a must-have in any spice collection. If you're ready to add some heat and zest to your meals, this is the spice that will take your cooking to the next level. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and as always, happy cooking!